There are no home remedies for asthma attack. Asthma is managed with medications, by avoiding triggers, and by creating an asthma action plan with your doctor. Keep a rescue inhaler on hand for immediate relief during an attack. Check the date on the pump regularly to make sure it hasn't expired. Asthma attacks are potentially life-threatening. Seek emergency medical attention if your symptoms don't improve after using the rescue inhaler. But this video is not about asthma attacks, rather about asthma wheezing. Wheezing is not a health problem in itself, but it can disturb the quality of your life to quite an extent. Thankfully, this high-pitched sound can be treated with the help of home remedies. Wheezing refers to a high-pitched whistling sound that happens when you breathe in or out. It's caused by tightening of your airways. Your airways can tighten due to allergies, infection, certain medications, asthma, gastroesophageal reflux disease, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease (COPD), and anything that causes swelling or inflammation in your airways. No words can explain how annoying that high-pitched sound is, which happens when you breathe out. But thankfully there are home remedies for asthma wheezing. Here we share the most effective home remedy for asthma wheezing, which can help you get rid of wheezing in no time. Number 1. Inhale moist air or use humidifiers. Inhaling moist air or steam works similarly to drinking warm liquids. It can help loosen up congestion and mucus in your airways, making it easier to breathe. Take a hot, steamy shower with the door closed or use a humidifier at home. You can also try spending some time in a steam room. Just make sure you avoid the dry, hot air of a sauna. Check the description of the video below for recommended humidifiers. Number 2. Consume hot drinks. Warm and hot drinks can help to loosen up the airways and relieve congestion. Honey is a natural anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial, so adding a teaspoon of honey to a hot drink may further improve a person's symptoms. Bacteria which cause a cough and lead to wheezing can be treated with the help of this effective home remedy. Some people find that peppermint or other menthol teas work well. A person can try experimenting with different teas to find one that helps. Number 3. Quit smoking. In addition to irritating your airways, smoking can lead to serious conditions that cause wheezing in COPD, including emphysema and chronic bronchitis. Secondhand smoke can also cause wheezing in others, especially children. According to the Centers for Disease, children exposed to secondhand smoke have a higher risk of having severe asthma attacks more often and more respiratory infections than those not exposed. Check out one of our other video that teaches ways to kick the smoking habit. Avoiding smoke from fireplaces, barbecue grills, and other non-tobacco sources can also help to reduce wheezing. Number 4. Raw onions. Sulfur content of raw onions has an antimicrobial effect on your body, which helps in fighting infections effectively. Just add some raw onions to your meals. You can also have them separately. This will help in minimizing inflammation in your lungs and will open up the blocked airways, thereby treating wheezing. Number 5. Mustard oil massage. Mustard oil soothes breathing and provides you with instant relief from wheezing. Heat up some mustard oil and add a piece of camphor to it. Dissolve camphor completely and massage your chest thoroughly for 15 minutes, 3 times a day. This improves blood circulation, clears the respiratory tract and eases breathing. Finally, another preventive measure as a natural remedy for asthma is breathing exercises. Breathing exercises may help with COPD, bronchitis, allergies, and other common causes of wheezing. One study found that certain yoga-inspired breathing techniques could help with breathing difficulties related to bronchial asthma, including wheezing. Breathing exercises often include deep, regular inhalations and exhalations. A doctor or respiratory therapist can help with deciding the most effective breathing techniques. A person may find that they have trouble breathing during a panic attack. Deep breathing exercises can also assist here. It may help to try slow breathing, focusing on breathing deeply into the stomach, and counting breaths.